Hello, Kingdom Day Traders. Coach Brian King here. Wanted to make a video while I'm in Costco and talk about what is your strategy for when you lose in trading. We have all type of videos that talk about a winning strategy, a strategy how to mitigate your stop loss. But I'm talking about a strategy that can help you when you deal with your losses. So do me a favor. If this is something that you're dealing with and you're having high anxiety when you lose, watch this video. So think about this, when we look at trading, one thing that we have to understand is that it's a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't just happen because you want it. And just because you learn a strategy doesn't mean that you're going to start winning. And so there's some key things that you have to have in place to help you keep on winning. And one of those key things is going to be what is your exit strategies? What is going to be your plan? Think about this, for instance. If you're losing money and you're losing business, do you keep on letting the losses run? Or are you at a place where you want to cut off the losses and look for another trade? Now, the biggest challenge is that people say they want to make big profits, but they also don't want to lose. And so though we all know in business that any type of business has profits, it has losses, your trading has the same exact thing. However, you have to have the right mindset in order for that to happen. Now, one of the things that I teach, and you'll hear on this channel, is the Kingdom M3 strategy. Say this with me: mindset, multiplication, and management. The biggest focus is mindset, because trading is 70% psychological. So think about this, for instance. Let's say that you've been trading for a while. You've made some profits. You've had a bunch of losses. You've made some profits. You've had a bunch of losses. You know what's starting to happen? Self-doubt starts to take place. And then you start to ask yourself, what can I do differently? Why is my strategy not working? And so perhaps I want to ask the idea, what are you doing differently? Are you trying to grow personally as a person? Are you feeding yourself information to help you go through these trying times? Do you know your numbers? Because let's be truthful about it, though. If you don't know your numbers and you don't know what goes on with the strategy or the market that's in place, you'll have so many ups and downs in the strategy. So here's takeaway number one. Have a exit plan in different type of markets. So for instance, we have markets that are trending up, markets that are trending down, markets that go sideways. Do you have a plan of action to be able to apply that to any type of market? Because a lot of people don't have a strategy, they have a hope. And there's a proverb that says, hope deferred makes the heart grow sorrow. And so if you're just hoping for things to get better and you're just thinking it's just going to better, you just think that time is just going to make it better, you're going to have a very rude awakening. Because it's